Hey guys, what we have today is a natural cleaner that can be used to clean all kinds of surfaces, kitchen, bathroom, windows, mirrors, and it's just vinegar. But sometimes vinegar, or just white distilled vinegar, can leave just a kind of a pungent vinegar, pickly type smell around your house. And so it's nice to just add a little scent, and it's really easy. Here I just have an orange peel. I could probably use two oranges peeled and throw them in there. So you could pack your jar full. We just need a glass jar, and then I also added some cloves. So whole cloves. You don't want to use powdered spices because we're going to filter this. We're going to let this sit for 2 weeks, and the vinegar will be will kind of extract the oils that are in the cloves and the orange, and add a really nice scent, plus just the good antibacterial and cleansing properties that are in each of the citrus and the cloves. And so when you're done, you'll let this sit for 2 weeks, if not longer, just at room temperature, covered. And then we will strain out using like a fine mesh sieve and a funnel. Run your vinegar into a separate container, and then you'll mix your vinegar 2 parts water to 1 part of your scented vinegar. And so say 2 cups of water and 1 cup of your scented vinegar. And you can, easiest way would be to have a spray bottle, and just you can spray that on any surface and clean it off. And you're not going to have just harsh chemicals. You're going to reduce the amount of the fumes from those chemicals that can just really pollute the air in your home, not just the chemicals that are actually left on the surfaces that you're cleaning. Vinegar, and especially scented vinegar, is a really good way to improve the air quality of your home, and to reduce the amount of chemicals that you're using. So cloves and you could also throw a cinnamon stick in there. That's a really nice combination. So orange peel and cloves, scented and just soaked in vinegar for a couple of weeks. So give that a try.